Very good evening to you everybody. We're having a look today at CEI. This is a stock which isn't looking too bad for the day. It's almost neutral over the past day, and you'll see throughout the day we are moving up, but ultimately from the open up, which was a price down here, as you can see, we have not really moved too much. Now, what I'm assuming has happened if we look at the chart, we have had a bit of a gap down. So from where we were yesterday into today, we had that initial drop, and then from there you will see we actually have been climbing back up. And again, right now we're between neutral and coming into the green ever so slightly. So just to break down the trend for the past day, you will see over here, we're climbing up from those lows that we saw, but really now we're finishing up on a point of what looks to be consolidation, which is good. And the question now is, where do we go from here? So as always guys, this is never going to be financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor, but if you do enjoy the content that you see here, make sure to subscribe. Now on top of that, we do actually have a Patreon as well. Now a lot of the content on the Patreon is going to be free, but we do also have a bit of a paid content. You can also access that if you wish to do so, and it would be appreciated, and you will be supporting the channel. But I'll be publishing more paid content tonight, and more free content will be coming out at some point in the next couple of days, so do make sure to stay tuned for both of that. Link in the description. And of course, this video would not be complete if I didn't remind you that we are doing a fundraiser for Save the Children. If you can donate, all of the funds will go straight to Save the Children, and the fundraiser is ending on Christmas Eve. So now we're going to dive into the video and have a look at what we're seeing with this stock. So we've already had a quick look at the 1 day. Now from where we were in our last video, you will see we have fallen a little bit. So we last filmed when the price was in the 140s, and now we're dipping a little bit, coming down to the 120s at the lows, and from there we're climbing up a little bit up to the 130s. And if we look at the absolute lows before this, you will see on the 1 month chart the stock really was dipping. We hit lows in the 90-cent range, coming up to the 104 range really at the lows as well. But yeah, we had quite low points, and now we're coming back from that. So really from the high, yes, we are dropping, but if you look at this chart over this time, you will see a big increase. And even if you look at it from this point over here, we are still moving up, which is good to see. And over the past 6 months, the story has been mixed. We have in this big jump up with the price. This has taken us to 382. Now, as you may expect, the price has been falling ever since, but now we have definitely found the bottom, in my opinion. And the question is, where can we go from here? And it has been a story so far of slow and steady consolidation, which isn't really a bad thing at all. But as time goes on, the price is starting to jump a bit, and I do have a few opinions on that. Now before I give you my opinions, I want to have a look at a few of our technical indicators, and we're going to do this on the 5 day and the 1 month. So out here on the 5 day, you'll see that the moving average is exactly where we are right now. That is to be expected, because you will see we are actually sitting quite flat from this point over here, so we have had the time to catch up really, which is normal, and it is what you may expect. And because of this, a lot of our other indicators are also caught up. For example, we're looking at a trend on the MACD, which is becoming bearish, but it is quite neutral at the moment. But yes, this trend is bringing it bearish because we're falling. And over here for the RSI, which is this little line, that's on 43. Now 50 for the RSI is neutral, so 43 is really quite perfect as well. Now when you come out to the past month, you will see a few other things. We're looking at figures over here for volume, which are relatively low. Now volume is a big indicator of where the price is going in the future, because what you guys will know is that, you know, volume is buying pressure, it's selling pressure, and it does definitely dictate where the stock is going in the future. Now high volume shows that a lot of people are buying or a lot of people are selling, but ultimately shows that a lot of people are still thinking about the stock. Now that's what we want going forwards. We want more and more people to, of course, be buying the stock, and that would send the price up. But clearly at the moment, that is something that we are not having happen, which is okay because volume has stepped up recently, especially in contrast to the past month. But it's about getting volume up again, hopefully to the levels that it has been at. And again, going forwards, that could be a big driver of price. Now, when it comes to price points and levels of price where we could be moving past in the future, we're looking at key resistance levels. In the past week or two, a key resistance level has been around the point of 145 up to 150. What do I mean by that? Well, you're seeing at 150, the wicks of the candles are breaking above for small amounts of time, but really we cannot get that consolidation above this level. Now, coming down to the 145 mark, you will see the bodies of the same candle. Yes, they are reaching that point. They're breaking past that 145, but once more, we're not really able to stick past it. We're not able to consolidate past it. We want to see a break past the 145 and then consolidation above the 150 in the next week or two. Of course, it is going to be quite hectic on the markets in the next couple of days because we're having a few days off and that sort of thing. But when we do start resuming trading, trading, we want to see slow and steady steps up, hopefully taking us to 150, and that really would be a nice floor for this stock to be at, and to see some consolidation. But that's just one of many stocks that we're going to be looking at tonight. I just wanted to give you a few of my opinions on it, so I hope you did enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you all very, very soon. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.